Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Today we're checking out the Tapo Solar-powered Security Camera Kit, a wire-free outdoor security solution designed for hassle-free protection. With its dedicated solar panel, you get continuous charging without worrying about battery swaps. It delivers sharp video quality, smart motion detection, night vision, and real-time alerts straight to your phone. Built with a weather-resistant design, this kit keeps your home monitored around the clock with reliable, eco-friendly performance. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Tapo C402 camera, Tapo A201 solar panel, solar panel bracket, USB adapter cable, base cover, extension wire, mounting screws, mounting anchors, waterproof seals, screw caps, cable zip tie, mounting templates, quick start guide, technical specifications. The Tapo Solar-powered Security Camera Kit features a 1/2-inch progressive scan CMOS starlight sensor with a 3.17mm lens, f1.65 aperture, and a wide 125-degree diagonal, 111-degree horizontal, and 56-degree vertical field of view. It records in 1080p Full HD at 15 frames per second with 850 nanometers IR night vision up to 30 feet, full-color night vision, and 2 built-in spotlights. The camera includes a power button, reset button, and a microSD slot supporting up to 512 gigabytes, while H.264 compression with 3 DDNR and WDR ensures clear video. Two-way audio with a built-in mic and speaker, noise cancellation, and a 94 decibel siren make communication and alerts easy. Storage options include micro SD and Tapo Care cloud services, and smart AI detection covers motion, person detection, and customizable activity zones. It connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with AES, SSL/TLS, and WPA/WPA 2PSK security, and runs on a rechargeable battery or the Tapo A201 solar panel with Type-C output up to 2.5 watts. With IP65 weather resistance, it operates from -20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius and can be mounted on walls, ceilings, or tabletops for flexible outdoor protection. Product features. The Tapo kit comes with a dedicated solar panel that keeps the camera continuously charged, so there's no need to worry about constantly replacing or recharging batteries. Its fully wire-free design allows for effortless and flexible installation anywhere outdoors, whether on walls, ceilings, or even freestanding locations, without messy cables or complicated setup. Record crisp, clear 1080p Full HD video with remarkable detail, both during the day and at night. The camera features 850 nanometer IR LEDs for night vision and full-color night vision, with 2 powerful built-in spotlights, ensuring your property stays well monitored in low-light conditions or complete darkness. Using intelligent AI technology, the camera can detect motion and distinguish people, sending real-time alerts directly to your phone. You can also set up customizable activity zones to focus monitoring on specific areas, reducing false alarms and keeping you informed about what matters most. Communicate directly through the built-in microphone and speaker to talk with visitors, delivery personnel, or even warn off intruders. In addition, the 94 decibel siren provides a loud and effective alert, enhancing your home's security by actively deterring unwanted guests. App connection. Start by downloading the free Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either log into your existing TP-Link account or create a new one to get started. In the app, tap Plus to add a new device. Select the Tapo Solar Cam home security camera and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network and sync it with your phone. After pairing, the app will confirm the indoor cam is connected. You can then customize settings, test the live video feed, enable motion detection alerts, and try two-way audio to make sure everything works properly. How to install. Choose a suitable spot about 7 to 10 feet above the ground with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Ensure good Wi-Fi strength and minimal obstructions like trees or busy roads. Drill pilot holes and use the included screws and anchors to secure the camera's mounting bracket to a flat vertical surface. Mount the camera onto its bracket until it clicks securely in place. Connect the solar panel cable to the back of the camera, then position the panel so it receives direct sunlight for optimal charging. Wrap any excess cable neatly using the built-in cable organizer and adjust the tilt or rotation as needed. Complete the setup in the app, test the live view, and verify motion detection coverage. Make any fine adjustments to the camera angle or solar panel direction to ensure full coverage and consistent power from sunlight. Safety tips. Provide adequate sunlight exposure. Use the correct Wi-Fi and setup. Secure the weather seal. Maintain connection proximity. Avoid static mounting hazards. Keep firmware and app updated. Product comparison. Talking about the design and build, the Tapo Solar-powered Security Camera Kit features a compact fixed-angle outdoor camera with an IP65 weather-resistant body and a dedicated Tapo A201 solar panel included in the box for a clean, wire-free setup. In comparison, the Wyze Solar Cam Pan uses a motorized pan and tilt design that allows 360 degrees horizontal rotation and vertical movement, giving it wider coverage but with slightly more mechanical complexity. The Tapo Solar Kit records in 1080p Full HD at 15 frames per second, offering 850 nanometers IR night vision, full-color night vision with dual spotlights, and built-in AI person detection with customizable activity zones. The Wyze Solar Cam Pan also captures 1080p Full HD video and stands out with motion tracking thanks to its motorized base, while advanced AI features may require a subscription depending on the plan. The Tapo kit runs on a built-in rechargeable battery supported by the included solar panel for continuous charging, making it a complete out-of-the-box solution. The Wyze setup requires pairing with a compatible solar panel accessory for extended battery life. Both cameras connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and support smart home integration, but Tapo emphasizes encrypted connections with AES and SSL/TLS security protocols. Pros and cons. The Tapo Solar-powered Security Camera Kit offers a wire-free solar-powered design for continuous outdoor monitoring, delivering crisp 1080p Full HD video with advanced night vision and full-color spotlights. It features smart AI detection for motion and people, customizable activity zones, two-way audio, and a 94 decibel siren, all housed in a durable IP65 weather-resistant body with flexible mounting options. It also works seamlessly with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, making it a versatile and convenient security solution. On the downside, solar charging depends on sunlight. It only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, has a 15 frames per second frame rate, limited night vision range of 30 feet, no pan or tilt function, basic AI analytics, and cloud storage requires a subscription, but overall it remains a reliable and efficient option for keeping your property safe. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.